डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड आफ्टरनून। आज हमारे मीटिंग स्टार्ट होने के लिए और आधा घंटा टाइम है। तब तक मैं समझाता बहुत सारी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ आज आप सबको खुश लगेगा बताने में। सबसे पहले अराउंड 10 से 15 फ़ोन आए मुझे, या कुछ लोग मैसेज भी रखे, सर एग्ज़ाम के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना, आपके लेक्चर्स तो अच्छे हैं, योर लेक्चर्स आर गुड, वी आर ऑल्सो आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस, how we have to prepare ourselves. I can only tell you one thing, there is no standard method how to prepare, but I can tell you how I prepared. And gunshot, you will pass. ये मान के चलिए you will pass, but you follow this strictly. This lecture I am giving in two languages, one is in Hindi and second is in English. Now, in this there are mainly two approaches. There is no PowerPoint for this, but please listen. There are mainly two approaches. Approaches matlab the ways to do it, and these approaches will work for the persons who are already working in mines, maybe open cast mine, underground, coal, metal, whatever it is, or if you have already worked and still you remember what you worked. These two people can easily approach through this. The third approach will be shortly released, which is for the students or maybe other people who have not worked much in the mines. Okay? Now, what are those two approaches? One, ध्यान से सुनिए, बहुत अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा, मजा आएगा। मजा मतलब किक मारता है, ऐसा रहेगा ये। ऐसा एक सिस्टम, दिस सिस्टम विल मेक यू एडिक्टेड। एडिक्टेड ऐसा होगा, घर में योर मदर और चिल्ड्रन, और अगर शादीशुदा हो, इफ़ यू आर मैरिड, भाभी जी विल टेल यू आप उसी माइंस को ही शादी करना था, यू शुड हैव मैरिड द माइंस ओनली, वाई ऑल दिस। सो सच ए इमर्स विल यू विल बी इमर्स्ड इन द सब्जेक्ट, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। नाउ देर आर टू अप्रोचेस, वन activity based approach, one is name is activity based approach, second is imaginative approach or what if approach, उसका नाम है what if approach. I used both and found that those people who read regularly lot of books, the imaginative approach is good, but for you I recommend the activity based approach. What is this activity based approach? Before going to this approach, you should be already working somewhere, or you would have worked earlier, can be any mine. Okay? Now, this exercise you can do either alone or with a friend of equal knowledge or recommended. Maybe if you are appearing for first class, you can call a person for second class. And remember, this approach is common for legislation as well as winning and working. Okay, this approach is common for legislation and winning and working. So you can make your winning and working friends also sit with you if you are appearing legislation, and the other way also. Now, there is a chart that we are giving below. The notes itself I have kept on this presentation because cannot make any PPT on this. There is a chart which you are going to study now, which you are required to take a print of this. You are required to take a printout of that chart. That is very very important. 6-10 copy पूरा भर दीजिए इतने मोटे prints. That will be your study notes along with the lectures and my lessons, questions and also examinations. Now, how you have to do? In this activity, the first one is, there are two things in the table. One is main activity and second is the sub activity. Main activity and sub activity, you will understand it. We are coming to the table. The main or sub activity, whatever I am going to inform in the table, can be a part of Mines Act or MMR or CMR or Mines Rules or MVTR or IAR, उसका नाम कुछ और कुछ बदल गया लगता, or explosive rules or circulars. Anywhere that sub activity, if it is covered, you will have to search, खोजना पड़ता। बाद में हम तो मदद करेंगे, that you don't worry, my duty is that if the sub activity की आंसर yes है, then you have to see what law says, and if the answer is yes, if there is any approach how the activity should be done is the answer for winning and working. Again I am explaining you, if the answer to the sub activity is yes, there is something in the law about that activity, then you have to search for the legislation or at least discuss about it. And if that activity has got a legislation, obviously it has got the method of doing that activity, that is for winning and working. The third point is, in these sub activities, related activities, you should imagine that somebody has complained against your mind or you, whatever it is, that you are not doing that activity correctly. Then what is your legal and technical defense? There's a very strong way you can understand. I tell you, gentlemen, if you people can follow this, after a year or so, I am 100% sure you also will teach better than how I teach. So, this is legal and technical defense you should set. If there is no defense, the activity what you are doing is something which is not proper. Okay, this is to be understood. Now, let us go to the table. The table is looks like this. Remember to take some 5 to 10 prints मैं बोला हूँ, but you take more prints. You can expand the table. I will not keep it under lock. You can open, modify and do, but don't modify the meaning. Now, first you will imagine that you got up in the house. If you are in first shift, you will get up at maybe 4 o'clock. If your office is at 6 or 5 o'clock, you will get up. If you are in second shift, you will start your getting up activity, whatever is the time. Get ready for the mines, maybe by 1 o'clock. If it is in night shift, maybe 9 o'clock. If you are in general shift, maybe 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Whatever it is, depending on your timing. Okay? This is no confusion. Now, आप जाके उठ के चाय पियेंगे या नाश्ता करेंगे या नाश्ता और रोटी खाएंगे, रोटी के साथ गालियाँ भी खाएंगे. भाई तो खाते रहता था पहले, अभी तो बुढ़े बन गए, ज़्यादा गाली नहीं देते, वो अलग बात है. उसके बाद मेनली कनेक्टेड विथ, नाउ इधर से केयरफुली सुनिए, प्लीज लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. स्टार्टिंग व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल वेयर क्लोथ्स फॉर योर माइंड. Now, in wearing clothes, you have a choice. You can make a insert. Now, Juno ikadundi. You can make an insert. If the insert is it permitted as per law? Is it advisable as per law? Is the open shirt advisable or insert? Gentlemen, there is a law saying that the loose clothing should not be worn when you are working in mine or especially when you are working near missionary. कहाँ पर आता है वो? It comes under missionary. So search for it. लिख लीजिए. You will remember lifelong. But don't go to mines immediately mentally. You be with your shirt only. You are wearing shirt. शर्ट पहनने के टाइम में आप सोचिए, ऐसा कुछ कानून है इसके बारे में? हाँ है. अगर नहीं है, forget it. But if there is a कानून, I will explain you later. और यू कैन वेयर सम कुर्ता. कुर्ता मतलब बहुत लूज रहता, टू बेस्ट ऑफ माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग. मैं मद्रासी आदमी हूँ, आई डोंट नो कुर्ता मीन्स, आई फील इट इज़ अ लूज शर्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. पैजामा के ऊपर जो पहनते. कैन यू वेयर इट? Probably no, because it is loose. Now, you can wear full hands and half hands. Is it permitted? If not, why? If you have to wear, how you have to wear? Over. You have worn your clothes. So already 1, 2, 3, 4, around 4 points are covered in this for your legislation connected to your clothes alone. And in clothes, one more legislation, the clothes must be removed when you suffer electric shock. That is one more law. Cloth के शब्द कहाँ पर आता है? Wherever you get the name cloth in law. Okay, good. Now you are wearing a shoe. The shoe is new. Excellent, congratulations. Wear it. The shoe is old. Okay, if shoe is old, okay, no issue. But if shoe is old, how frequently you need to replace it? That is the law. Please note down. Shoe is old means you have to replace it. How periodically? What is that periodicity? Please write it down. The shoelaces got snapped. Shoelaces के बारे में कुछ कानून है क्या? Yes, है. Laces shall be tied properly. There is a rule. Please search for it. Shoe is damaged due to you. आप टेढ़ा मेढ़ा चल के खराब कर दिए. Whatever period is there, उससे कम ही period के लिए that life has vanished. What is the law? What does the law say? Whether you have to buy it or buy from outside or company gives it, who bears the cost? Please write it down. Please write it down in the place, whether it is here or here, wherever you can write, please write, or make this as expansive position or A2, A3 में कहीं print लीजिए. You write it, but you write it. Important. Shoe is damaged prematurely due to manufacturer's fault. What you should do? Okay, your company will replace probably, but what company should do? This is important. Because the shoe is supposed to be approved shoe, you are supposed to inform if there is a premature failure of same type in the shoe. Next, you have worn shoe, worn clothes, then you take your helmet. Now, you found that it is manufactured from your local factory, not known to you. Is there any law about helmet? Please search it. You found that it is manufactured, helmet has become dirty. Is there any law? I don't know. Please search. Helmet has a torn or broken headband. What you should do? How frequently you should replace? Who will give it? That is one law. Hai kya dekhe? I also don't know. Helmet is having strong chin band. Good. Shabas. Helmet is broken prematurely due to technical reasons. Who will replace it? Either you have to buy it or somebody will give it. Now helmet is carelessly handled or broken. Life of the helmet. Helmet's color is white. कहीं कलर के संबंधित कुछ है क्या? Because this is the first table I am trying to tell you. Yes, it is there. I can tell you it is there. I will not tell you where and how. Please search for it. You wear the helmet and go to the night shift. क्या मतलब है? वेद कुमार साहब क्या कर रहे हैं? नाइट शिफ्ट में क्या, फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में क्या? तो पहनना ही है. Please search, there is a law. What you should do when you go into the night shift with the helmet, or how the helmet should be. My clue there now. Next, you have worn your clothes, worn your shoe, took the helmet. Now you started. Maybe you may have your own jeep, or maybe going with a friend, or maybe on your two-wheeler or car, whatever it is. You are traveling. Okay. There are lot of trees on the way, and they are giving good shade. What? Trees. Is there any law? Yes. You see, law is not simply MMR or CMR or some other MR. It includes, I will not tell you, other law also. Where plantation is important. Now you think about it. What plantation you should do? ठीक है, आप ताड़ी का रखेंगे to have some good drink on the way. Can you do it? आम का रखेंगे. Can you do it? And how? Who should take care? All that is there. Next, on the way you are traveling to mines. Please remember, you have not started your mining job. You have gone on the way, you have found the trucks. Mining material is going from one place to other place, dumping yard and other things. Is there any law? Yes. Please refer to your state directorate law also. There are lot of things you have to do. Not simply the speed limit and driver should wear belt. मेरे जैसे अज्ञानी भी बोलता है उतने point. आप जैसे अज्ञानी लोग, you have to tell intelligent people like you more points. One clue, you have to cover tarpaulin. Then write why. Now I am telling you about what winning and working people will do in this. Shoe and other things. Winning and working, nothing to do with it. Shoe is damaged, nothing. Prematurely gone, you don't do anything. Helmet has dirty, udhar tak chhod dijiye. The trucks are carrying material that are traveling to and fro to the dumping yard from a few mines. Now here winning and working comes. During winning and working, what is the angle of repose of the material you should put on the top. If more fines are there in that, what will happen? If more coarse material is there, what will happen? If load is more, what is the effect on the engine? If load is more, what is the effect on brakes? If there are gradients, what is the effect on brakes or clutch? If there is no safety belt, then it is a safety point. If the visibility is poor in the roads, it is a legislation point, and also what you can do to improve the visibility. There are more turnings, there are villages on the way. Now there are villages on the way is a point what I am trying to tell you here. What for you are worried about villages? Nice, good villages. But on the way there are some waste dumps. Even villages there is a point, not in your mindset. It is in your other acts. Please check up. On the way there are waste dumps on private land. Is waste dumping permitted on private land on somebody's consent? If so, what are the precautions? This is for winning and working. Some houses are found slightly sunk. I have given 3 stars. Open cast people feel happy. It is not your point. Underground, both metal and coal. Why? Here, winning and working has a lot of role to play. Why it gets sunk? Is it due to subsidence? If the subsidence is there, what is subsidence? What is angle of draw? Padiye. It will take time. Padiye. What is angle of draw? Is there any permitted angle of draw? If it is long wall, what is the angle of draw? How quickly the subsidence takes place? In which area subsidence will be more? If you do sinking, whether that is stowing, sinking will be more or less. All these things your winning and working people should count. Now winning and working people felt happy in the beginning. No, not our point. Now your points will start. Some houses are found slightly sunk. Then some houses have got cracked walls. 2 stars means both underground and open cast. Open cast, mainly open cast. Why cracks are there? Is it due to vibration? If vibration is there, what are the limits of vibration? Legislation. What are predictor equations? Winning and working. What is the cube root predictor? What is the square root predictor? What type of walls crack more? If it is a strong wall, what will happen? If it is an average wall, what will happen? All these things winning and working will go through. Now, one more 3 star. While traveling in night, you have seen some fire from cracks on the earth nearby. Especially your Jharia and other coal mine areas, you will find it. Why? Winning and working people will try to write down points why fires come from the bottom to the top. What gas does it contain? What will happen if fire is not there but gas comes into the air? How to reduce it? Is there any way? Find out from your Jharia friends, senior officers or other foremen who are doing some activity. Now, you have come to mines. बोले वेद कुमार साहब बस हो गया, हम माइंस में पहुंचा दीजिए बहुत जल्दी. उतना जल्दी आनंद मत उठाइए भाई, माइंस में इससे 100 टाइम्स क्वेश्चंस आएगा. जस्ट एट द गेट योर कोल माइन है, योर मैन सेज that from old coal stocks, yours is a coal mine, some smoke is coming in night. They observed it. Now again, legislation, dump yard maintenance as per legislation, if it is coal or carbonaceous matter. Why the smoke and coal takes place? What is incubation period? How you have to reduce it? What are different ways to control it? This is winning and working. What type of coals give more fire? In case you can answer this, what type of coals give more fire, gentlemen, your rank of coal subject, you need not even listen. आराम से आप अपने कौने खान साहब है ना, 3 लोग अच्छा एक्टिंग करते हैं. आई एम वेरी पुअर इन माई मूवीज, दैट मैन विथ लॉट ऑफ, हाँ, सम खान, एनीवे, सलमान खान. You can listen to his songs or movie. You can forget Ved Kumar's lessons, but answer this. Okay? Now you enter the office. Wait for the next activity analysis. Friends, this will take 1 week. If you do fast, quickly, nicely, but please do it. There is no other way you can pass. Ved Kumar's lectures can be useful for you only for 10 days or 15 days, but this will help you lifetime. You will be an excellent manager. Now you entered the office. What next? Another 5 minutes. Please listen to this video. This is important. Next, after entering the mines, did the person at the gate do the formality? What are the things the security has to do at gate? Which are the people permitted? Is there any fence required around? You have not even entered the mines. Next points will be that. Then you enter inside. There your work starts. So, please get ready. In the beginning you were all showing your fingers like this, like this. Now also you should show that you are happy with this. Work hard. Hopefully, what we will do, next what we will do after you prepare the answers. Yesterday we entered into a contract with some webinar company, all these private fellows. Every Sunday, Saturday, I will conduct a webinar. The 100 or 120, 50 people can enter into one webinar. I will send message to everybody. Whomsoever is interested will be joining the webinar. Simply send your mail ID. And also rupees 30, because that is the minimum charge we do. If there are more than 500-600 people, I think around 900 people are there on the line, all may not be interested. Maybe 500-600. First 150 will be given in the first hour. Okay. The second 150 in the second hour. Second hour means every webinar will be for 2 to 2.5 hours. Please be prepared. What you should do for webinar, you get ready with your legislation books, with your answers, and my answers will be there on the PowerPoint, and webinar will not be repeated on a point what we complete. Webinar is once for all, one time only, because every time I cannot sing the same song, and webinar is not recorded also. If I record and keep it, you will have to pay me 60 rupees per webinar, because that cloud charges I have to pay. Why I should tax you? The basic intention is not to collect any money, but this is inevitable for exams and this. So people who can spend or who love to spend that rupees 30, please be prepared. Even if you don't want to spend, at least make the answers. Okay? And in webinar, what will happen? Those people who attend webinar, some other people can sit behind them and see. Nothing wrong. But the exam on this particular sheet, repeating, exam on this particular sheet will contain around 50 to 80 questions, which will be called as webinar exam and will be sent only to those people who attend the webinar. Because sending to other people, they can't understand anything. They will simply get demoralized by failing. So please canvass it to your friends, and I wish you all best of luck. Don't curse me, a lot of subject. Thank you.